Download Invoices on Uber Eats. Gain more control, more transparency, and more insights with downloadable invoices in Uber Eats Manager. To get started, click through to Payments and then Invoices. Then select the option you would like from the drop-down menu. Uber to Shop displays the weekly invoices for services provided by Uber, for example, Marketplace Service Fee. Restaurant to Customer displays per-trip invoices issued by Uber on your behalf for items provided by your restaurant to customers if requested. Restaurant to Uber displays the weekly services provided by your restaurant to Uber. Uber to Organization displays the weekly invoices for services provided by Uber. Next, select the desired date range. Click on Bulk CSV and the invoice will populate. Ensure you've populated the requested information in the Invoice Settings tab in order to receive your invoices. Without this information, invoices will not be generated. Gain more control, more transparency, and more insights with downloadable invoices in Uber Eats Manager. Log into Uber Eats Manager and download your invoices today.